All right, what's going on, guys? So the other video that I made on Privy was kind of a quick overview from the beginning of a lead, of actually bringing in a lead, right? And comping that, walking through some desktop analysis of a lead that's been generated. If you haven't already, go to Real Estate Investing Made Easy page. You can learn a little bit about how we generate leads for our investor clients and for our own investing. It's really helpful. Everything is in one, tight little compact nugget, all the information that you need. And they break it down in a way that I think is really helpful. Not only that, with the filters, the ability to look at what other investors have done, before and after photos, seeing the purchase price and the exit price of other investor projects is really helpful too. So that's from getting a lead and then bringing that to a comp and figuring out your exit there. But the way that Privy can be used as well is in a way that you can search for deals and look up from the other end, kind of reverse engineering it. Privy's set up is to find deals, and they've made it really easy. So I'm going to start in a specific area, and I'm going to start with Lakeside, and just want to kind of take a look at it. So first things first, if you're looking for deals, there's a quick deals tab here. In this case, you can get a feel for what other investors have already done. So their goal is to find the area that you're going to be wanting to look into, and then figuring out what has been successful in that area. So let's just say we do fix and flip here. And so we're going to find similar deals in that fix and flip category. What this does, their algorithm is going to search for you other potential deals. We'll take a look at these, see what this one is going for. Now it's great. Okay, cool. Yeah, kitchen definitely needs updating. I could definitely put some work into the bathrooms. It's got a garage, and landscaping leaves a little to be desired, but that seems like there's some opportunity there, definitely some value add opportunity. And now what we would want to do is, okay, let's take a look here. Now what we do is scroll down. It's going to bring up the comps, okay? So what's great about this is we get to see entrance and exits on most of these. Okay, here's our subject property. So here's one up close to square footage. Okay, it tells you the distance, about 1/10 of a mile away. Okay, bought at 657 and out at 815 days on markets. What I'm doing now is going through to see, okay, this one's got a pool. Okay, so that's going to change some things. But yeah, wow, look at this. These are nice. The bathrooms are nice. Okay, LVP throughout. Kitchen looks, yep, done as well. Match the bathroom, new toilets. Yeah, they put a lot into this one. Good. Okay, got a garage as well, 2-car garage. Cool. Exterior paint. All right, and this is 1438. So we'll call it 60 grand. Okay. So was this a good deal? Let's throw it in our deal calculator. So it's sold for 815. Slim. Okay. Either this is too high or they just didn't make a lot on that. So kind of a slim deal there. Back out to our subject property here. This is based on the same square footage, same bed bath count. We probably need to put about 60 into this one as well, just based on what needs to be done. Bathrooms, kitchen, flooring. There's no pool, no real backyard that I saw. Yeah, see, it's the side. So this is definitely not going to be where we're going to be under 6 here. Yeah, and there's really no yard. So, 815 is really not, is that really the exit? Maybe 100. So let's say if the same square footage, you keep that 8. So what we need to be at. Okay, we can come in around here. If that ARV is accurate, and probably still want to try to come in here, around here, and we might be able to do something there. Are they going to accept 100? You could really press on the market, maybe have the agent double end it, take just the sell side commission, lower that one, and we'll get on the relist. That's what we do in a lot of the on market deals, so that the buyer or the seller can actually come out on top there. Listed 43 days ago, so it's been a good amount of time. This one might be a good one to reach out to and just kind of see what their situation is. See if we can help them out. The other option is to exit out of the investor, and this potentially could kind of be more where we're looking to exit, because when did this sell? I mean, that 800 number is probably not too far off as far as the ARV goes, so we'll take a look. But you know, you can see kind of how it'd be really easy to find deals just by using this little quick, and this isn't all of them. I mean, you've got tired landlord, you got vacant, corporate foreclosures, auctions. What you want to be able to do is see what's already happened in this area, okay, and what's already been successful. So you can kind of go through here to comp and see what's already been done, or what did they put, how much did they put? Can you see if they left some of the flooring? Did they do both bathrooms? Did they do the full kitchen? Did they just, you know, flat bricks on a pig, or did they do a full gut, you know, and a really good job, you know? So you can kind of see what's working for the area through it, which I love. And, you know, everywhere on here, you can see there's ability to dive in deeper. Last thing I wanted to see, because this was a fix and flip here that was already done. So normally you'll be able to see before pictures, but here's the after. Beautiful. It's really nice. That's it, guys. I mean, that's basically the best way that you can use, like I said, find, let's just say maybe we want to do a buy and hold here. There's really only two. It looks like they're in the area. So other than that, you know, take a look at my other video. It's going from the other side. If you've already got a deal in mind or other property in mind, take a look. Our affiliate link will be below. So you can sign up for Privy, get some great stuff using that link. And then also, if you wanted to get some motivated sellers to get more at-bats, increase your lead and deal flow for the month, and just start closing more deals, please check out Real Estate Investing Made Easy's YouTube. Get on our calendar and figure out how we can help you out and get more leads coming to you. So thanks again for stopping by, guys. Hope that helped. I'll talk to you soon.